Everyone. Today you are going to learn how to make a folk art Mexican mirror. In Mexico, folk arts and crafts are called artesanía. There is a wide variety of artesanía in Mexico. Bold colors and decorative details give Mexican folk art the attractive edge it is famous for. Materials needed: pencil, paper, scissors, tinfoil. You can use a marker or crayons or colored pencils to color in your Mexican mirror once you've drawn your entire design. A paper plate works really well for this craft. Using tinfoil, cut out a circle for the middle of the mirror. Using a pencil, draw repeated patterns and then color. 4. Glue tinfoil circle in the middle for a mirror. Look at all the designs and patterns. What patterns do you see that are repeating? What shapes do you see? Here are a few examples of finished mirrors. Look at all the detail and design. Look at all the palettes. Warm colors, cool colors. All the different patterns give a feeling of movement to the mirrors. Questions. What do you notice about the colors? Do you notice how when you mix a cool color and a warm color, like here's a cool blue or teal, here's a warm orange or red, and it really makes those colors pop. What are some of your ideas? How many shapes do you notice? I see rectangles, triangles, diamond shapes, circles. It goes on and on. Here are a few more ideas to create Mexican folk art. Notice the little birds with all the different patterns and designs. And here are the hands. You could use tin foil to make the shape of these hands and create your own design. Have a great time celebrating Mexican folk art.